Welcome to Broadlands Gardens in Pudsey, an absolutely fantastic 2-bedroom apartment, ensuite, open plan living, one of only 2 apartments with its own garage. Please allow us to show you around. And here we have the private garage, parking for 1 car. Very unusual on this site, but obviously you've got your own private garage, which is a massive bonus. So if you'd like to view, give us a call on 01924 692240 or email us on hello@trustsl.co.uk. Thank you for viewing.